We are gonna go for dinner at Bosca Park. What's this guy doing? So we rode all the way to Bosco Park only to find out that this place is so deserted. There is nothing here. Oh, almost got banged. There is nothing here, and we gotta find somewhere else to eat. Hey! um. After roaming a while for a little bit, we found ourselves at a Tapak King. It says ikan bakar, so kind of looks nice from the outside. We'll see.
4 hours, but we had a lot of rest.
But it's okay, right?
It's fine, it's fine. No rush, what? For what rush also?
Hold on, I need to. One sec, guys.
Thank you.